How to activate Halifax Debit Card. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate Halifax Debit Card. To activate your Halifax Debit Card, you will need to follow these steps. Most of the Halifax debit cards are activated by default when they are sent to you. You can start using your card immediately for purchases. But if your card is not working and you suspect it hasn't been activated, then you can try activating it via mobile banking, online banking, phone or at an ATM. To activate your Halifax debit card using mobile banking app, first of all, you'll need to open your mobile banking application of Halifax and here make sure you are logged into your account. After logging into your account, you will need to navigate to the section for managing your cards. There, you will need to select your debit card and then follow the prompts to activate it. Similarly, if you want to use online banking in order to activate it, then you will need to open any web browser on your device. Here I am opening my Chrome browser, and in the search bar of the browser, here you need to type in halifax.co.uk. Press the go button of your keyboard to search for it, and then you will be taken to the official website of Halifax. Here you will need to make sure you are logged in to your online banking account. Once logged in, you can go to the Manage section and look for the options related to card activation. After that, you may need to enter your card number and other required information to activate your debit card. If you are still having trouble, you can contact Halifax customer support directly and have your card details and personal information ready for verification. To find the customer support number, you can scroll down in this official website of Halifax, and here you may see this Connect with us or Contact us option. You may simply click on it and then you will be able to find the customer support number. If you want to activate your card at an ATM, you may need to first find the ATM nearby, and then in the ATM you will need to insert your debit card and then make a PIN-based transaction like a withdrawal or balance inquiry. This action may automatically activate your card. So by following the steps, you should be able to activate your Halifax debit card. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.